If you want instant transfers within your Apple Pay or Apple Cash, it is pretty simple. You just need to open your wallet, then click on your Apple Cash. Make sure you have cash on your um, account right here. So press that. Next is you should head on this site. If you can see the three dot on the upper right corner, you should also press that. After clicking those is that you need to press the transfer to bank with your balance. After that is you need to press next, and it will lead you to this prompt right here. You can see that 1 to 3 business days it is totally free, but we want the instant transfer to our debit card. You should add your debit card, and instant transfer charges $6 fee for instant charges with your money.